Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on changing cross-section properties. In this video, you will learn how to change cross-section properties to suit your custom requirements. Survey CAD allows you to change almost all the properties of cross-sections. A. Drawing scale. B. Area calculation. C. Datum precision. D. Layer properties such as caption, project line, line type, value precision, height of the band, and order of layers. E. Display properties such as header, footer, graph, scale, and area calculation table. F. Label properties such as font, color, and text height. G. Datum. H. Section names. I. Others. A. Drawing scale. When you create a new project in ESurvey CADD, the default horizontal and vertical scales for cross-sections are 100 and 100, whereas for longitudinal sections, they are 1000 and 100 respectively. Depending on project requirements, you can change the scale factors. Select the Settings icon from the toolbar and choose Basic from the Settings tree view. In the Basic tab, you can change the drawing scale. B. Area calculation. By default, Layer 1 and Layer 2 are the area calculation layers. You can change the area calculation layers and methods in the basic settings. The trapezoidal method is set as the default area calculation method. If required, you can select the net area calculation method. For volume calculation, the trapezoidal method is the default. If required, Simpson's 1/3 method can be selected. C. Datum precision. The datum will be automatically derived using the cross-sectional data by the program. It will be rounded off to the nearest 0.2 meters from the minimum value. Similarly, the program will round off the datum to the nearest 1 meter value from the minimum value in the longitudinal section data. You can change the default datum rounding values from 0.2 and 1 to your preferred values in the Basic Settings tab. D. Layer properties. You can individually change cross-section and longitudinal section layer properties. You can change the layer name. The program assigns layer names such as Layer 1, Layer 2, Layer 3, and so on. You can rename them to ground levels, formation levels, etc. If you want a project line in the cross-section, you can enable it. You can set the line type for each cross-section layer. You can change the cross-section line color, height of the band, and precision of values displayed in the band. You can also change the order of the layer bands. E. Display properties. You can enable the graph with the specified scale. You can display a footer with a prefix and suffix for the chainage number. You can display a header instead of a footer for showing the chainage number. You can control how the chainage number is displayed when the chainage value is greater than 1000. You can print labels indicating the horizontal and vertical scales in the header or footer. You can also print area calculation details and summaries along with the cross-section, which is explained in detail in one of the next videos. Display properties for cross-sections and longitudinal sections are different. F. Label properties. You can set the font, height, width, and color of each cross-section element in the Label tab. G. Datum. The software automatically calculates the datum depending on the datum precision settings. Further, you are allowed to specify a datum for each cross-section and lock it. Once you lock a datum value, the software will not automatically recalculate the datum. H. Section names. By default, the chainage number is used as the section name. However, ESurvey CADD also allows you to change the section name. You can assign a custom name to each cross-section. I. Others. In addition to all these settings, you can further control some rarely used cross-section properties, such as row header width, rounding of values during data import, drawing background color, etc. No other software offers you so much control over cross-section properties. Hence, we have given the punchline, play with sections, to the section module of ESurvey CADD. In the next video, you will learn how to change the order of display in cross-sections. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.